Okay, just a quick update today on Ripper's S550 twin turbo car we're working on. We're ready to put the intake on, so we're putting the sniper intake on. And before we go bolting this thing on, we realized real fast, like, stock throttle body does not fit too well. You have to use the adapter. I really don't like using adapters. So we have a Ford Racing 87mm throttle body. It will fit without using the adapter, other than bolt holes don't line up. It's much larger, 87mm, but it also matches the hole. So what we're going to do is go ahead and remove the intake and drill and tap so we can run the new Ford Racing throttle body. Now that we have the intake back off and you got the throttle bodies laid side by side, I'm going to show you the differences between these throttle bodies. Not only is the Ford Racing one larger, like I said, the bolt patterns are actually a little different. You can see the Ford Racing one right here has definitely got a wider spread bolt pattern. In fact, as you look at this throttle body from Ford Racing, if I'm not mistaken, it appears to look just like the 5th gen LT1s and LT2s throttle body. So, put the intake up. This bolt pattern is for the smaller throttle body, and we need to make it for the larger throttle body. So we're going to start by covering the hole and marking the spots to drill. Like I said, this looks like a GM throttle body. Let's see if it's got the same bolt pattern as a GM throttle body. It might help us out here. Here is a nitrous express plate for a 5th gen LT1. And sure enough, bolt pattern lines up perfect. So the good about that is we're just going to use this as a template. So we go ahead and mark these holes. Go straight. We have them marked, we just need to drill them and tap them. Alright, now that we have it drilled out and tapped, we're just going to put the O-ring that comes with the Holley intake back in the groove, which, by the way, still works perfect on that larger throttle body. And hopefully if we did our job right, all these holes will line up. Problems with that one. Let's see here. And that's a good sign. They all four started. Now that they're all snug, open the throttle body up. It is lined up about perfect. Now we just got to put it back on the car. Okay, so before we permanently mount the intake, we're going to open it up, make sure we don't have no foreign materials in here. It all looks good. And as you can see, the 87mm throttle body transitions to the Sniper intake very, very well. So I think we're good to go. All right, it is in place. Just make sure. And that will be it for today.